Hello everyone, welcome to KK's Art Studio, and today we're going to be drawing Sonic, so come join me for an easy step-by-step. Alright, so let's get started with drawing Sonic. So grab whatever marker, crayon, pencil that you have, and let's get started. I'm excited. So the first thing we're going to do is draw his eyes, and for his eyes, what separates them is something that looks like the letter U. So towards the top of the paper, I'm going to draw something that looks like the letter U. Okay. And it's a little wider and open. That kind of looks like the letter U, and it's going to go out because we're going to draw the eyes from there. So from here, I'm going to draw an eye that looks like an oval or kind of like an egg shape. And I'm going to come around and I'm going to just stop there. And then I'm going to do the same thing for this side. It's just going to be skinnier. So I'm just going to come up and make like an oval egg shape type of thing. Stop like that. And then what I'm going to do is I'm going to make just a tiny curve that connects this. So I'm going to come here. This is where his eyes are going to go. Right under his eye is a nose. And his nose is going to be an oval, but just horizontal instead of up and down. So I'm just going to attach it here, and I'm going to draw an oval as a nose like this. That's his nose. And then we're going to draw his mouth, and his mouth looks like a big smile. So like we're going to come here from the eye, we're going to go up, make a curve, and then we're just going to draw something that looks like a smile. So we're going to go around, and then right under the nose that we drew is where we're going to draw the other side, and then we'll just connect that. That's his mouth, and then we could draw the details like his eyes. So his eyes are gonna be like the same egg shape or something that looks like a teardrop. So I'm gonna come from here, from this side, the inside, and I'm gonna come down and make something that kind of looks like a teardrop. That's his eye. And I'm gonna do the same thing on the inside, just smaller. And what I'm gonna do is I might just switch the marker just so it's skinnier. It's like a really thick point on that marker. And this is gonna be the other, like the eye. And then I'm going to do the same thing here. I'm going to draw something that looks like a teardrop. And then I'm going to draw the eye on the inside. Those are his eyes. They look so cool. And then his mouth is just going to be like a little curved smile. This is where his mouth is going to go inside. Oh, it's not actually his mouth. So this is going to be like the side of his mouth. And then I'm just going to draw a curve like a smiley face for his mouth. So we kind of have his face. And then we're going to continue with his face. So right above his eye is an eyebrow. So I'm going to make something that looks like a rainbow or a frown. And then I'm going to do the same thing on this side. And it's just going to go point this way. So I'm going to come here and I'm going to go like this. That's that one. And then we could draw his head from this eyebrow. So we're going to go up and out because his head's going to be this way. It's going to look like Sonic is running. This is like going to be a really cool drawing. So we're going to come up to the side and I'm going to stop somewhere here. So I just made like a curve going like that. And then I'm going to draw spikes from his hair. So I'm going to come down as if I was making a triangle. So a triangle is like a point, or it goes like this. So I'm going to do this to the side and I'm going to come down. That's like one spike of his hair. And I'm going to draw that same curve just right here. So I'm going to make a curve from this point. I'm going to curve out just like that. And then I'm going to make another thing, like a triangle. Okay. So I'm going to come in like a triangle. And then I'm going to stop there just because we're going to draw his arms. And his arms are going to be out because he's running. So from here, I could draw the rest of his face shape. I'm going to draw his ears. And right above his eyebrow, I'm going to draw a point. And there, I'm going to make something that looks like a triangle again. So I'm going to come down and down to the side. That's one ear. And then on the outside, I'm going to draw another ear. So I'm going to draw a point here. And I'm going to draw a curve as if I was making a triangle. And connect it to that eyebrow. And those are his ears. So from here, we could draw what we have left is his body, which is going to be his stomach, his arms, and his legs. Okay, so from here, I could draw his arms. So from the side of his mouth, I'm going to draw a line that goes horizontal. So I'm going to come here. And I'm going to draw a line that goes horizontal this way. And I'm going to just stop right there. I'm going to copy the same thing. I'm not going to go on the mouth though. I'm going to go just a little bit more to the right. And I'm going to draw like another horizontal line going this way. That's his arm. And then I could do the same thing on this side. So I'm going to draw a horizontal line right under his mouth somewhere here. And I'm going to draw one right underneath that one. So I'm gonna go like that. Those are his arms going out. And because his arms are going out, we're able to draw his body now. So his body is gonna be a long oval towards the side. So if it's easy, we could actually just turn the paper a little bit and it's just gonna be a regular oval. So I'm gonna come here, I'm gonna come from this side and I'm gonna make an oval. I'm gonna come down and long and I'll stop right there. And then I'll copy the other side and I'll make like an oval and I'll just stop right over here. Wow. And I'm not gonna close it because we have to draw his legs. So I could draw one leg from here. This is the back, his back, and then we're gonna curve down because his leg is connected. And I'm gonna stop right there. This is the back side of his leg, and we could draw the front leg, which is gonna be another line that's parallel to this one that looks the same. And I'll just stop right here at that same distance too. That's one leg. We could draw his back legs because he's running. So this one's forward and this one's gonna have to be back. I'm gonna make a little curved line like this because he's in the act of running. And then I'm gonna draw that same design this way. Those are his legs. So now that we have like the shape of his body, we could connect things. So what we're gonna do is I'm gonna draw his arms, and his arms are gonna be out. So his arms, he usually wears gloves. So we could draw the glove first, and the glove's gonna come up like a hill. And then we're gonna make another hill right next to that one. And then I'm gonna draw a hill, but it's going in. So it's gonna be the opposite way. It's gonna look like the letter U. So I'm gonna come down. See, it's like the opposite of that one. And then I'm gonna draw another one right next to it. Two little loops. This is like the letter M and this is like the letter W. And then we're gonna close it off with a curve like this. That's one glove. And then I'll do the same thing on this hand. So we'll just copy the same thing we did there. So there we have his gloves. And now we could draw his arms. So his arms are gonna be out and we're gonna have to draw this side and then like the thumb. So we're gonna make the thumb first and I'm gonna come down and I'm gonna curve in. That's his thumb in a fist. And then we could draw this side, which is gonna be a curve like this. And then we could draw it like that and it's connected. And then we could just draw a line like this to add the details. And that's his fist. And then we could draw the same thing on this side. So I'm gonna draw his thumb first again, which is gonna be a curve. And then I'm gonna draw a big hill that comes around. And then we could draw the details. So I'm gonna curve in, up, curve like this, and that's the details. Okay. It's like his fists are out. And those are his hands. Super easy, right? And then we're gonna draw the details of the stomach. So the stomach is gonna be a big loop as well. And the loop, I'm just gonna curve it here and I'm gonna just connect it to the body and leave it like that. So I'm gonna make a loop or like an oval and I'm just gonna stop it right here. That's his stomach. Now we could draw the rest of his spikes. So I didn't draw his spikes because I know it goes into his arm and I don't want to draw into his arm. So if we continue to do like the triangles, we'll come down to the arm. We're not going to go past the arm. There's one spike and then we could pretend that it ends right over here somewhere. And then we'll continue. We'll make like another triangle. So we come from here, we go out, and then we finish the triangle by connected to the body. So another point. And that's Sonic's hair. Looks so cool. And then we're gonna draw. So guys, we're gonna finish his face here, and then I'm just gonna make a line that connects here to his eye. There we go. And then what we really have left are like his shoes. He's running super fast, right? Nobody could beat Sonic in a race. So what we're gonna do is we're gonna make the same designs as we did like for the gloves. And we could actually close this off. The way we close it off is that we just do little curves. So let's do his socks. So what we're gonna do is I'm gonna make a curve right here to close off his legs and to start his socks. And I'm gonna curve in on one side and then curve in again. And I'll do the same thing here, here, and then I'll do a little hill to close that off. And then I'll do the same thing here. The only thing is I'm gonna come in from the leg more. So I'm gonna draw a curve like this, like that. Copy the same thing here. And then I'm gonna draw another one. And then another one on this side, and then I'm gonna close it off. And then we could draw the shoes. So the shoes are gonna look, we're gonna make a big hill from the sock. We're gonna make a hill, we're gonna go up, around, and we're gonna go down, down. The shape is like a shoe shape. And then we're just gonna connect that. That's a shoe. And then we're gonna draw the bands of the shoes. So we could go like this, like 2 stripes. And then we'll draw another line here that separates the sole from the regular shoe. That's a shoe. And then we're gonna copy the same thing on this side, but the shoe's gonna be pointed up because he's running, right? So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna make the top of the shoe looking up. So I'm gonna make a curve going up, make it a little round, but like pointy, come back around. Okay. And close it out as if I was like making a circle, and just go back up to the shoe. That's the shoe. And then we're gonna do the same thing. So we could draw the bottom of the shoe now, because we could see the bottom. And I'm gonna copy the same curve or same design. So I'm gonna come here, I'll make a curve, and then I'm gonna reach it to the bottom here. That's the bottom of the shoe. And then we could do that sole part, which is gonna be right here. And then we could make these stripes. So the stripes are just gonna be curved this way now. That's his shoe. And then we could draw the details now. We could draw the details everywhere else too. So he has to have like stripes or little soles at the bottom. So we're gonna draw those. Those are like the little details that we could add. What else can we add? We can add his ears, another layer, like another triangle. So I'm gonna draw a point, come down here, and I come down here. And I'll do the same thing here. I draw a little point, I'm gonna curve here, and curve down to the eyebrow. And there we have it. There's our super cool Sonic that's running. I love it. I think it's so cool. I could draw a little detail right here too, like that. And that's it. Super oh, I lied, guys. We gotta draw his little tail. His little tail is just like a curve or a half circle. So I'm just gonna go like this and go like that. And there we have Sonic. I'm super excited. So what we're gonna do now, guys, is we're gonna color Sonic in. So grab any crayons, markers, or color pencils that you have, and let's get started. We're gonna fast forward this part. Guys, so there we have it. There's Sonic all colored in. He looks super cool. It looks like he's running. I also thought it would be a cool idea to add some lines right here. Yes. So if I draw like horizontal lines like this, it looks like he's running. So there we have Sonic. Hopefully you guys found the video easy, and please stay tuned for more cool drawings. See ya. Bye.